Today, we're going to walk through the process from the scan out to the driver in the warehouse through the delivery process in MobileTek CORE. It's important that the driver be scanned out using assignment scan. This is accessed in MobileTek RS. It is not part of the driver's own app, MobileTek CORE. The scan is done using the warehouse scanner logged into MobileTek RS. Here, you see the main screen of MobileTek RS. The icon for assignment scan is the third one down. If the screen is cut off, click on the down arrow twice on the hardware keypad and then the Enter key. Once in assignment scan, you will need to enter a driver number. This is mandatory. Also, you can enter a route number. This is not mandatory, but recommended. If you do not enter a route number, the orders will still be assigned to the driver, but will not be within a route, the globe. You may use any route number that you like. In other words, if the driver does not have a route number assigned that is normally used, you can use the driver's name, driver number, or pretty much anything as the route number. A route, the globe, will be created for that driver. Lastly, the slider for sequence scanning must be to the right and green. Once this is all done, click OK. Tap once in the field for the scans, marked as 1 on the screen here. This is to make sure that the cursor is in that field. Then begin scanning. Check to make sure that your scans are registering. You will see how many barcodes you have scanned at the top left. If you hit a duplicate or some other error, a pop-up will tell you. You will need to clear the pop-up before continuing. Listen for the error tone. When you're finished, click on the upload icon at the top right. If there are overages, blue, or shortages, red, you will be notified. Shortages will have the CDL order number, so you can look it up or tell a dispatcher. Overages will not have any information because they are overages and therefore are not found in the system. Once you accept, click the upload icon again. If everything that you scanned has been matched to an order and nothing is short or over, you will get a button marked Commit. Click this to commit to the scans. And you will be asked to confirm. Depending on how many items were scanned, the upload could take 5 seconds or it could take a minute. Internet connection is necessary for this. I suggest that you not walk around the warehouse while it is uploading. You will be given a confirmation and will be returned to the home screen. The app is now ready for the next driver to be scanned. You should now see the orders on your app, MobileTek CORE, on your phone as soon as it refreshes. The driver's manifest, when printed, will have the orders printed in the order that they were scanned. This is the function of the sequence scanning. As you scan, it will number each stop. The instructions in this presentation apply to MobileTek CORE version 3.8.7 or higher for Android. At the time of this writing, iOS version did not support certain features, particularly VPOD. That does not mean that you can't use iOS but certain features towards the end of this presentation may not be available. Make sure that whatever app you are using, you enable automatic updates. This is important, as you may encounter issues if you're on an outdated build. When an app is installed, you will be asked if you want to allow the app to use the device's location. Say yes. You will also be asked to allow access to your photos, contacts, and/or phone. Please say yes to all. The app needs these permissions to mark your orders properly. On the main dashboard screen are the main icons, 9 of them. At the top left, there is a menu button. Clicking this will allow access to the settings of the app. Sync items remaining refers to items on the device which have not yet been synced. In other words, if PODs have not been transmitted yet from the phone to the server. This does not indicate orders that haven't been sent to the device yet. That can be forced by clicking refresh on the bottom row. Let's go through the icons. The top row of icons. New orders. This is where you will see all new unaccepted orders. These have been dispatched, whether by a dispatcher or by a scan, but not yet accepted by you. Open orders. These are all the orders which have been accepted by you. Closed orders. Orders that you have completed today. The second row of icons. Load vehicle. This will display all packages that are assigned to the driver. A load scan is done by a driver who is loading the vehicle for a route of deliveries. More on load scan later in the document. Assignment scan is a load scan. So if you have done an assignment scan, then you have already done the load scan. Therefore, you don't need to concern yourself with load scan. Second icon is search by scan. Drivers can find orders that are assigned to them by scanning the barcode. So you don't have to go looking for it. You can scan the barcode. Order tracking ID, client ref no, package ref no, any one of those can pull up the order. And time card is used for an hourly employee to record their hours. The third row of icons. Possession scan. Possession scan is used to take possession of orders in Accelerator from other drivers by scanning the packages of those orders. This is very similar to assignment scan. The dashboard. The dashboard is where you can view your statistics and graphs of your performance, scans, and on-time percentage. And the refresh icon. This will force a refresh, fetching any new data from the server and sending any info to your phone, from your phone. Keep in mind, this is dependent upon your internet connection. If you're in an area with no signal, your refresh may be slow or may not happen at all. If this happens, wait a few minutes, move to an area with a better signal, and try it again. When you log in for the first time, you must accept your new orders. This is your acknowledgement of the orders. Orders unaccepted will show on the New tab. Click on Accept All at the bottom of the screen. This will move all orders to New, where you will be able to deliver them. The Close tab will show orders that you have completed. This is useful when you need to add a status code or a document. There are two ways to pull up an order. You can search by scan or select the order from a list of new orders. Either is acceptable. Searching by scan will allow you to scan the barcode of the order and find it in your list. To do this, click Search by Scan. The Search by Scan screen looks like this. The typical barcode is the package refno, which is the barcode. Certain customers may have additional barcodes. For this reason, have all the sliders set to green. Tap on the Scan button with the cursor blinking in the scan field. This will bring up your camera to scan the package. You will see a screen that looks like this. The white box is where you should position the barcode. It will scan automatically as soon as it is able to be read. If it is out of focus, tap the screen within the box to refocus. If you need more light, click on the flashlight icon at the top left to turn on your phone's light. When it is read, it will bring you to the order details screen. Now you're ready to make this delivery. The various sections of this screen will tell you anything you need to know about the order. There are 4 tabs across the top of the screen. There is also a menu icon at the top right. Clicking on the menu will allow you to do a document capture, such as a photo or a PDF. This is useful if you have a BOL that needs to be attached to the order. You can also set Next Stop here. Next Stop will mark the order and send a notification to the customer, if set up to do so, letting them know that their order is the next delivery and allowing them to view the GPS on the order. Details will let you see further detail on the order, such as package weights, dimensions, COD info, etc. Pickup is where you would scan a package upon pickup. This is not applicable to most of our orders, as we do not do many direct pickup to delivery jobs. These tend to be same-day or messenger type deliveries. Deliv is the delivery leg of the order. The blue line under this indicates that this is the stage that you are currently at. Using the procedures outlined in this instructional document, you will be at this stage already. Packages is the package detail of the order. You can mark packages as damaged or make other notes using this section. The map pin next to the address will bring up your default map program, Google Maps, Waze, etc., and give you GPS directions to the address from your current location. This can be useful in routing you out. The phone pin below it will make a phone call to the phone number listed on the order. Depart is what you will click when you are ready to make the actual delivery. You should only click this at the actual location. A GPS stamp will be attached to the event, so if you click this somewhere other than the actual location, it will appear that you have delivered the package to the wrong place. This delivery is a 1 package order. You will see the package in red and a scan button. Make sure that the cursor is in the scan field and click Scan. The barcodes for the order will show in the lower window. Center the barcode that you wish to scan and click the green bar to scan. When a barcode is scanned, it will turn from red to green in the lower window. When finished, click Done in the upper right. You can do a manual scan by tapping the packages on your screen and clicking Manual. This confirms that you have the package and marks it as scanned. In the tracking, it will say Manual Scan. Only do this after confirming that you have the correct item. This is useful when a barcode is unreadable or if a package can't be scanned for some other reason. Once the barcode or barcodes have been scanned and all are green, click on Next. This will bring you back to the order details screen. From here, click Depart. You will be informed that this will mark the order's delivery arrival time. Click OK. This is the POD screen. At the top is a disclaimer stating that the person is accepting this order. In the main section of the screen are icons for both Capture Signature and Capture VPOD. Capture Signature will open up the signature capture screen where the customer can sign their name. There is a button to clear the field below. If a mistake is made, you can clear and do it again. Here, the consignee, the person to whom you're delivering, will sign their name in the white box. If they need to redo it, click on Clear at the top right. If it is okay, click on Next. At the bottom of the screen are the details of what the person is signing for. At the top, again, is the disclaimer acknowledging receipt in good condition. You will get put back to the POD screen. From here, you can add a VPOD if needed, or click Next to get to the final stage. You can have a POD and a VPOD if you like, or just one. Either a picture or a signature. You will see a preview of what you have captured. If accepted, click to the next screen. At this stage, you should type either the person's name who signed for the package, or else type the location of the package. For example, Joe Smith, or J. Smith, or left at side door. If a package is left at a door or anywhere else, a VPOD is required. If you click on the VPOD camera icon, your phone's camera will open. Use it to take a photo. Make sure to show enough detail or background to provide proof. A close-up of a box doesn't prove anything. A shot of the whole door with the package, or a shot from the street showing the address or mailbox with a number on it is also good. If a package is left at a door or anywhere else, a VPOD is required. A VPOD is the only type of proof when a package is left without a signature. On a desk or at the door is not proof of anything. A picture of the package on the desk or at the door is. VPOD stands for Visual Proof of Delivery. A GPS stamp will be tagged to the photo. You will get a preview of the photo. If it is okay, then click on OK. Then you will go back to the POD screen and click Next. You can retry if the picture is no good. Once again at this stage, you should type either the person's name who signed for the package, or else type the location of the package. For example, Joe Smith, or J. Smith, or left at side door. The information typed here must match what you have for POD or VPOD. If Joe Smith signed for it, then type Joe Smith. If you took a VPOD picture at the side door, then type at side door in the box. If a package is left at a door or anywhere else, a VPOD is required. Then click Done. You will be returned to the scan search or to the order list, depending on where you pulled the order from. From there, you are ready to make your next delivery. When using Assignment Scan, the driver's orders are listed in the order that they are scanned. This makes it much easier to select orders by clicking them in the Open Orders list. To do it this way, click on Open Orders. Your open orders will show. Tap or click on the order you wish to deliver, then click Details. As in the other method, the order details screen will appear. The blue line under Deliv confirms that you are at the delivery final stage of the order. Click on Depart to be brought directly to the POD screens. From this point, the process is the same as if you had scanned the package. This method may be easier if the order is only one package. If you click Depart without scanning a package first, you will get a prompt. If you have a one package order, or if you have otherwise confirmed that you're making the correct delivery, correct number of packages, and are at the correct location, you can click Yes. You will also be prompted to OK the delivery time. After that, you will be at the POD screen. From there, the procedure is the same: signature or POD. This concludes the presentation. If you have any questions, please send them via email to me at autera@cdldelivers.com. Thank you and have a nice day.